What's up guys, Dean here again with Team Debaru, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys step by step exactly who Cpagrip is, what you can do with Cpagrip, and just give you guys an inside look on Cpagrip themselves. So with that being said guys, make sure you guys like and subscribe to the channel if you Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get started. Again, my name is Dean, and today I'm going to be giving you guys a step-by-step walkthrough of Cpagrip, who this affiliate network is, what you can do with them, and just all of the details about Cpagrip. So I hope you guys are excited. We're going to dive deep into this. With that being said, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel if you are liking the content that we are putting out, as well as make sure you sign up for the AFK forum by using the link in the description below. So let's go ahead and get started here. This is Cpagrip. This is what it looks like when you come to their website, cpagrip.com. Cpagrip is a CPA PPD affiliate network where they do a lot of content locking and do a lot of pay-per-downloads. So if you're into that sort of thing, this could be definitely a great network for you to start out with. So let's just go ahead and get started. So Cpagrip Performance Marketing and CPA PPD Affiliate Network. Put your website to work. Webmasters can make money using Cpagrip's ad technology. Our performance network and monetization tools are the industry-leading choice for content publishers, website owners, and app developers. So Cpagrip is really known for doing pay-per-downloads. They're also really known for doing content lockers, file lockers, video lockers. They have offer walls, all types of these different things here. They even have virtual currency offers, which some networks don't have. So if you're into promoting Bitcoin and things like that, Cpagrip is a great place to start. But to get a little bit more information about Cpagrip and who they are, so they have a lot of information here based on publishers if you're looking to be a publisher with them. So let's go ahead and take a look at Cpagrip. Joining Cpagrip isn't too tough. I remember when I joined them, it was fairly easy. I didn't have like a crazy interview process or anything. They just asked me a few questions within the actual sign-up process itself, and yeah, it was fairly easy. They also have 2,000 plus different active CPA marketing campaigns that you guys can set up with content lockers here or with offer walls of your choice. So that is really nice that they have over 2,000 different offers. These offers are in different niches as well as being able to be promoted all over the world. So that also is really well. They have customer service or have an affiliate manager available to you at 7 days a week as well too. So that is always nice to be able to have an affiliate manager there to walk you through things, answer any of the questions that you might have, or maybe give you some insights on what's working well on the platform at the moment. And then it just gives you some information, so you can see the publisher dashboard, which we'll actually log into in just a minute. Cpagrip has a very powerful advanced analytic platform where they can give you detailed feedback on all aspects of your CPA marketing campaigns. They're all about bringing you the on-demand options you need as a publisher to maximize revenue. If there's any data you need, we can pipe it into you to make sure you're always up to date with all of the information of all aspects. So that's one thing I would say too with Cpagrip. I've asked my affiliate manager lots of questions, and they are really good with responding to me, as well as giving me some great insights on what is working well, like I said, on the platform itself. So that's a little bit about how to be a publisher with them, which most of you guys will sign up for. I want to take a look some more at these advertising monetization tools, because this is really what a lot of people enjoy about Cpagrip. So they offer content lockers. Content Locker is an outstanding solution for monetizing web content. Content locking has been proven, a proven model of outperforming other types of advertising models. So if you guys can see here, it's just a, it's just a little, basically a little quiz that they're going to fill out. Once they fill out this quiz, it's going to redirect them to either the actual offer itself, like CPA offer or whatever it may be, or it's going to redirect them to a file if you're using a file locker. So this is the content locker itself if you're just locking maybe a sweepstake offer or something. They also have URL and file lockers. So let's say if you ran maybe a movie site or some sort of site that has a lot of files. Maybe you sell custom Instagram story ads or whatever it may be. You can actually lock these files behind a file locker here with Cpagrip. And whenever someone comes through to download your file, they'll have to answer one of these surveys that we were talking about up here. And that way you kind of get double paid. You'll get paid for them doing the, getting whatever, doing the survey, as well as if you have anything inside of your file that, can make you money or whatever it may be. You can do that as well too. So that's kind of cool. They have a video locker, same premise. You fill out the survey, you're going to get the video. So a lot of people with like movie sites and video content, they will do a lot of video locking with that. Now, offer walls are pretty cool. Offer walls allow you to display the correct geo-targeted offers to your users, generally used with point rewards. This allows you to easily leverage multiple offers and reward your users with virtual currency for each completed offer. So each offer that they do here on the offer wall will get the person a virtual currency. So it'll be like Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, things like that. So they have all of these different monetization tools, which kind of set them apart from a lot of the other affiliate networks, which is really nice. I know a lot of people really use Cpagrip specifically for the content locker as well as for the offer wall. So if you guys are interested in those, make sure you guys check out Cpagrip for that. But with that being said, let's go ahead and actually get into the dashboard here. So let's go ahead and log in. See what's going on. All right, so this is the dashboard. One thing that I really like about Cpagrip and why I joined them a really long time ago is they have this cool little chat box that you can actually unlock once I believe you got to like $50 or something. So you can actually see kind of what everyone else is doing in here for the day. So this person made $41 a day, this one 48, 152, 171. You'll actually see some really big hitters in here too. I've seen people with like $1,000 days, all types of stuff in here. And they usually will kind of talk to each other and give each other tips and stuff. Of course, they're not giving out methods in here because no one's going to give you the exact method of how they're making money online because then it gets really saturated. But they give a lot of great tips and tricks in here for you. So I always thought that was really cool. I thought the dashboard was all set up really nice. You have statistics over here, account manager information over here, and then some of the recently added offers down here. As you can see, multiple sorry guys, I have like sickness kind of. A lot of these offers in countries all over the world, as you guys can see, Australia, Canada, United Kingdom, all these real popular ones are here. You got the payouts right here. Same thing over here, except this is going to be for top performing. So these are the best offers on the platform right now that are converting. And then lastly, these are just tips, tricks, industry news, all types of that stuff over here for you guys to read through. Over here on the left side, you got this that detailed advanced reporting like I was telling you guys. So if you come in here, you'll be able to see a detailed daily activity graph. You can do weekly, monthly, all types of reporting here as you guys can see. You can even break down the traffic type that you guys are using. And then as for offers, for my offers, you can come over here. And this is where you'll see all the offers on the platform itself. Now you can go through and uncheck them if you don't want to be a part of any of these and check them if you do. It's going to tell you what kind of category they are here, if they're mobile optimized, and then the description and everything for them here. If you hover over it, you'll see a nice little landing page of kind of what the offer is really about. And then you can see some performance statistics over here. So they have a lot of great information right here on the pages themselves for you guys to be able to take a look at and see if this is really a place that you guys would want to promote your offers. Now, if you guys also want to know how to promote these offers, the best way to promote these offers are usually with like paid ads or free traffic. So if you see some of our other videos on our channel, you might have seen Praveen talk a lot about Cpagrip with like affiliate blogs and things like that, because these are easily to set up for content locking, which is really nice. So if you guys want to see how to actually promote these offers, make sure you guys are checking out some of the other videos on our channel. We have a lot of great videos on there on exactly how to promote Cpagrip offers with multiple traffic sources, including free and both paid. So make sure you guys check that out. Before we get off here though, I want to take a look at a landing page itself that you guys can take a look at here. So if you click on it, you're just going to get some basic information here. You're going to take this will just go through all the different ones down here, but you can see over here, you can copy your link. If you have a VPN or if it's in the area that you're promoting, you can pull it up here. So here's one of the offers here. So it's a pretty nice landing page. It looks like they get $500 every single day. They got a little countdown here to get you to fill it out pretty quickly. But that's pretty much it. So
are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dijs University. Dijs University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dijs University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.